The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again, Big up and respect to each and everyone, you see? You see that short piece of video that I just presented to you? That piece of video shows an example of some of the things that members of security forces go through worldwide. You see? I don't know where when that video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers. I can't even tell if the person who had been searched is a man or a woman. You see me I say? No, I don't know if the person is a man or a woman. But however, that short piece of video has been talked about on social media. So I present it to you to make you take a look at it. You can let me know what you think, That video shows an example of some of the things that members of security forces go through worldwide. You see it? Alright, I'm going to move on to another video, you viewers and subscribers. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video has been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana. This video is going to show a person who had been arrested by the police somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana. In my point of view, this video shows how the person had been arrested. However, the person had been accused of selling drugs. Now, one of my viewers brought this video to my attention and I'm presenting this video to you so you can take a look at it for yourself. You can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video as well. Is what I'm saying to you. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Must he just still getting his seat? He got been a drink there. You sell clothes. You know, sell clothes. Put all the money in the bag. Put the money in the bag. Put the money in the bag.
This my money for you. Money carry coke you're selling from there. Go tell them about plain crash for the goat. Plain crash for the goat. Tell them about the cocaine and the weed you're selling in from there. I smoke cocaine. Go tell them though.
Come give me the bag.
No, I'm trying to keep the bag. I don't know. Shut. Let me tell you, man, I tell you what.
Yes, every time this happens. Come fam, baby, come.
What girl?
Alright, tell me when to tell my CJ we got with what?
Shall I move on then?
Come, you come this side, baby, come.
I got no nail for the wood soldier, right? That a nail come to big going.
Said nonsense.
Yeah.
Go on,
Shaban! Shaban!
You money the dog.
Follow me on the man again.
What you doing this say dog?
But your bag, the bag. Hey, bye. Shaban! What? Go and call Lenny for me now. Go call Lenny.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I don't have any confirmed information as to if the person had been released or if the person had been wrongfully accused of selling drugs or anything like that. You see me? Yeah, I'm only telling you the information that I got on social media about the video, and the video has been talked about on social media. And one of my viewers brought the video to my attention, and I presented the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. And you can also let me know what you think. You know, me only there so to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright, now I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a law enforcer sleeping on the job out in the public, somewhere out there in the world. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where or when this video will be recorded. That's what I'm saying to you. However, this video shows a law enforcer sleeping on the job a certain way, of viewers and subscribers. You see me? And this video is being talked about on social media. That's why I'm presenting this video to you. You know, I think I've seen this video some time ago, but I just can't remember when. You see me? But anyways, you know, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. People, what that they grown? What that they grown? I really him that drop from? Then if I him that drop from, then I saw him asleep. I wonder if that alone drop from him. Nah man, one somebody can't tired so. See me? You know, so sometime I go see a video that shows a man sleeping in his motor vehicle and it's like the person denture. I go back in the man mouth and all them. That can hurt you know. Yeah man, take out the denture if you're going to sleep certain ways. You see me? But anyways, you know, you see sleep is a thing. It's when it catch you. Trust me, when it catch you, man. I tell you. But Jano, me I wonder if this law enforcer still have a job after this video be recorded. You see me? Anyways, you can let me know what to think about that video. You know, I'm going to move on to another video. You see? The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man talking about men killing women for a certain reason, and he went on to talk about other things as well. I don't want to repeat everything that the person said. You know, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear the things that he said for yourself, and you can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that this person said. You see what I say? No, the person used harsh languages in this video, viewers and subscribers, and the person did something that I think some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. So some of the things shown in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video, take a look, listen, and observe.
Oh, I don't know some of the man do it, you know, but I don't get up a kill girl for them in front, you know. You know, I'm mad blood clot, man. I don't depend that a girl go do what she want to do with her front. She get it for use, go and go use it, my girl. All when the pussy good enough, me still not kill you. And for your pussy, go and go give you your want give be. Yeah man, me not care, but watch out. You see you when me left already before me take you back to blood clot. Look on this. See it here. One mango full of maggot before me take you back. Look at me I do. Mindfully make up, you can't get another chance. Bye.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I understand the point that the person tried to make or made. You see me? But on a real, I'm not going to deliberately eat that. You see me? Yeah, real Jamaicans know what that fruit is and what those black spot things are in that fruit. You understand? The reason why I'm not going to deliberately eat that, you know, is because you see when it comes down to fruit, you see if you now use a knife, peel a fruit and take time and look through it, some of the times you end up eat all certain things in the fruit you don't know, you know. You see me I say, and I hears me I eat mango and, you know, orange and all different type of fruits within the country of Jamaica by just peeling with my finger, just biting it and all these things. You see me I said to you, yeah, so me I tell us I wouldn't deliberately eat that, you understand? Me understand what the person has said, and trust me, I agree with the point where the man has said him not understand how some man hurt woman certain ways for certain reason. No, I don't believe no man supposed to hurt no woman for no reason none at all. Nobody not supposed to hurt nobody for no reason none at all. That's what I say. Big up and respect to the person shown in the video, and here's where I'm gonna leave it. You know, Alright, so let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. On a big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.